Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to prune and get your first harvest from your basil plants. Here's a clip from the show. And one of the things I want to show you about the basil is you can see that it's growing straight up, and it's time for us to do a little bit of harvest. So what I want to do is break this off right here. The top we'll take home and eat. The bottom is going to sprout out. These side shoots will now sprout, and that'll make a fuller plant because we're not ready to plant these for, oh gosh, probably another 4 weeks. So I'm just going to go through these. Oh, look at the roots coming out the bottom. I'm just going to go through here and just get us a little basil harvest. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 4. And if you want to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online. And you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.